Welcome everyone. Today we are doing an easy warm-up workout designed especially for beginners. If you've never exercised before, don't worry. This routine is gentle, safe, and perfect to start your fitness journey. Just follow along with me step by step. Ready? Let's begin. We'll start by marching in place. Lift your knees gently and swing your arms naturally. This simple movement warms up your entire body: legs, hips, arms, and shoulders. Keep your breathing slow and steady. This also wakes up your heart and prepares your muscles for the exercises ahead. Keep going, nice and slow. Now let's roll the shoulders. Lift your shoulders up, push them back, and drop them down in a circular motion. Shoulder rolls help release stiffness built up from sleep or long hours of sitting. After a few seconds, switch direction, roll them forward, feel your upper back loosen up. Gently tilt your head to the right. Don't force it. Just let the stretch happen naturally along the left side of your neck. Hold it here. And now switch sides. Neck stretches are important for reducing headaches, neck tightness, and improving posture. Raise your right arm straight up and slowly bend towards the left. You should feel a gentle stretch along your side waist. This movement opens the ribs and helps with deeper breathing. Hold it, and now switch sides. Extend your arms to the sides and draw big circles in the air. This warms up your shoulders, arms, and upper back. Keep your core tight and posture tall. Now reverse the circles, nice and smooth movements. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and gently twist your torso left and right. Let your arms swing freely. This helps loosen your spine and improves flexibility in your midsection. Don't over-twist. Keep it light and relaxed. Place your hands on your hips and make big circles with your hips. This stretch is great for your lower back, hips, and waist. After a few rotations, switch directions. Keep your movements smooth and fluid. Now bend forward slowly, letting your arms hang loose. You'll feel a gentle stretch in the back of your legs and lower back. Keep breathing. Slowly rise back up vertebra by vertebra. This helps reduce stiffness and increases flexibility. Lift your right foot and rotate the ankle in circles. Ankles support your entire body weight, so warming them up is essential. Now switch feet. Slow, controlled movements. Let's increase the energy a little with a light jog in place. Don't rush. This is just to build light warm-up heat in your body. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe normally. Now place your hands on your belly and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Deep breathing improves oxygen flow and relaxes your mind. Let's do 3 more together. And that completes our warm-up for beginners. You did an amazing job. Repeat this routine daily to improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and prepare your body for any workout. See you in the next session.